Yacht's a big body, right? Oh my gosh, she's been wearing the same wig for the whole month. What are you talking about? $5? Traffic.
Chris Productions.
Explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it.
Hi guys, so I'm on a yacht right now. I'm fastening the people in place. Come fast with me. So I just went to the washroom. Let me turn the camera. Everyone's upstairs doing some toast. I'm not going back up now. I just came from the washroom. I had to pee. Oh guys, by the way, unique beauties, baby. Anyways, let me show you guys around. This is the master bedroom, whatever. That's what's going on. Ooh, right? What else is here? Here's the next washroom. Ooh, crew only. I'm classy. Oh, nice. There's goodies. Yes, this is the next washroom that I'm in. Oh, look at my outfit. LT lavish, baby. Here. Unique beauties. Period. Washroom.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby's my baby girl.
Things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they come check me in at the night to make me get it amplified. But if grip for run the ship, me nah go slip, me nah go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. For giving the top bits long, get started for ride, girl.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
Hi vlog, I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. I'm terrible. Let's see ball out. Hola. 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 I'm not. Let me shut up. These sandwiches are slapping. You know how many sandwiches they ate?
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
2 days later.
Hey vlog. Hi. So today is what's the date? July 16th. It's July 16th. Saturday, July 16th. Right now it is Alexa. What time is it?
The time is 3:33 p.m. Have a pleasant afternoon.
I don't know why she's yelling like that. Anyways, I'm getting ready. I know I said I wasn't doing no more get ready with me. This isn't a get ready with me. This is an intro to everything that's going on. So basically, I didn't do an intro for the beginning of this vlog. So I just want to say, in the beginning of this vlog, Bianca went on a yacht, baby. Okay, a yacht, a big body, right? Driving a boat. Not really, because you guys know I can't drive, but that's besides the point. Off track. So basically, I went on a yacht in the beginning. It was for my cousin's graduation. She just got her master's. Long she did that. Congratulations to her, right? Cool. So that's what that was. Honestly, you guys, the clips are so shaky. I didn't honestly do my best. I didn't do my best with all that, and I apologize. But today I'm going to an event called Dusk, okay? And it's basically like, it's a day party-ish type of thing, right? I've been there before, and it was good vibes only, right? So that's where we're going today with my cousins, the same cousins that you guys saw on the yacht and all that stuff. That's where we're going today, right? Cool. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready for right now. I said let me come and introduce the clip properly, because I notice when I vlog, when I don't introduce or start from home, nothing really gets recorded. I don't know why. Maybe like I forget that, you know, I'm vlogging. But yeah, I'm like, let me do this right now while I just touch up my hair a little bit. By the way, my hair, listen to me good, okay? Book with Unique Beauties. listen, book with Unique Beauties. That's all I'm telling you guys right now. Go on Instagram. Well, I mean, her booking's not available right now, but when it is, make sure you're booking with her, because listen, the way she slayed my hair, she got the color right, she got the style right, everything. Obviously the curls dropped and everything, but it's like, you know, when it was finished, when it was freshly done, don't talk to me, okay? I just got my hair done. Never mind. I just got my hair done, so you know, yeah, I feel like that girl right now. Plus I did the purple that was inspired by Justine Sky, very much giving. Also because purple is like one of my favorite colors. Not one of, it is my favorite color. So you know, right now we're just touching up the edges, and then I'm gonna try and curl the hair again, even though I heard outside is like disgustingly hot, but you know, I'm gonna make it work. And then yeah, so that's what's going on right now. And then I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna take you guys along, and I'm gonna vlog properly today. Another thing about the yacht is that, what was I gonna say? Another thing about the yacht, we got party favors. We got this shirt. I didn't open mine yet. I don't think I have scissors right now, but I got a shirt and it's just so cute. Hold on, let me try and take this off. Ugh. My cousin is so thoughtful, because she didn't have to give us no party favors. But look at this. Okay, so cute. What's that say? Black Queen. Love to see it. So yeah, that's the shirt. It's so cute. But yeah, guys, like I said, right now, oh, hello, nail cam. Let's get into the nails. Do I even have to tell you? I'm gonna tell you. CEO acrylics only way. But yeah, guys, so let me go curl my hair and not chat off your ears, and then I'll see you when I'm on my way. Cool. All right, see you guys in the next clip. Don't worry, I'm gonna look better. I look rough right now, but I'm gonna fix up, and you know, we're gonna get a step in. But yeah, let's go do that. Okay guys, so I left my house. Jay is behind the camera. Shout out to her. This is my outfit of the day. Okay guys, this top, these shorts. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this, but you know, it kind of like goes with the whole vibe. There's a cute little purse, cute. And then my slides, guys. And this is the outfit of the day. And then of course my hair, Unique Beauties, period. Let me do a 360 for you.
How many more days can I wait? Playing players with you.
Yeah. It's a vibe. It's a little vibe. Let me smooth my hair back. Curls dropped, of course, because, you know, the weather, baby. Guys, I'm just waiting for the dance halls, to be honest.
Right now, we're gonna go TikTok right now.
Several days later.
Nobody can equal me. No, no. I'm gonna sit on the street when I'm fucked up. I should've known how to pick her. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tipsy. I had enough cover for 24. I beat you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like gold.
So guys, I'm meeting my actor instructor.
I went to Wix Simone.
Why not? A fucking good time, never caring nobody. I got a little drink, but it's not for
Hi everybody. So I'm here with Jaya. This is my younger cousin, but yet she's almost taller than me, and I'm in UGG slippers that's giving me height, but yet I'm still short. Anyways, so I just wanted to come on here and update you guys, let you know we're here at the picnic at the location. We made it. I'm gonna show you guys around afterwards, and yeah, it's good vibes. Are you enjoying yourself or are you bored right now?
I'm bored.
Okay, true. Don't worry, I'm the life of the party. I'll liven it up. I'm lying. But yeah, guys, we're in, where's this, Pickering? There's like a lot of picnics happening today actually, and yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. The weather's not bad today. I already had a burger and I had 2 chicken kebabs. What'd you want? Just some dumplings. Yeah! Oh guys, you see the wind? Hold on. I forgot. I had Aki's official fried dumpling. And I had my tea this morning. But yeah.
Oh, and I had breakfast.
Yeah. You're not hungry? I'm gonna have dumpling.
I'm gonna have hot dogs.
Oh, okay. You're a hot dog girl. True. Guys, this is my outfit of the day. Guys, so this is my outfit of the day. I'm in these brown biker shorts. Cute. And then I have on this black queen shirt. Guys, remember this is the shirt I got from the Yacht, right? Here are my sunglasses. Cute, cute. Okay, can't put them on right now. Okay, ready? Cute. Oh, and these Uggs. Yeah. I have like a fanny pack, but it's over there. So yeah, guys, this is the outfit of the day. Guys, one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that this place has like a pool and like...
I was just about to tell you to tell them.
Exactly. They have like a pool and a splash pad thing, but for whatever reason they said due to maintenance it's not open this whole year. And they made the people down, not the people down, but they made all the kids and stuff and like some of the adults, they're in their bathing suits ready to like, you know, have a splash pad, enjoy it. And they said it's closed. Disappointing. So that's one thing so far. Oh my god, and the bugs. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't even tell you, there was this ginormous bug on my cousin. Listen, I don't know how he noticed it, but he found it and like, just had to dash it one side, but it was like this big, I promise you. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go because the wind is just doing too much and I don't want it to mash up my things. Alright, so I'm jealous. Anyways, let's go see what's going on. Anyways, here's, everyone's just kind of scattered, people are still coming, and yeah.
I'm fresh out.
Guys, it's like after 7. I think we're supposed to end at 6, but we're still here. But everyone's cleaning up, wrapping up. There's actually bare people there. Can I zoom? Oh, I can zoom. More people here, guys. Anyways, it was a cute little barbecue. And yeah, I ate good. Belly full, belly bust. Let me flip this. Yeah, like I was saying, my stomach's well full. Ate enough, ate good. We're going to get ice cream right now. Yeah, we're gonna go get ice cream. You tell him, gangsta. Oh, I don't want his face in it. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too, thanks. Let me tell you guys how I just got robbed. I paid $5 for a small vanilla cone with sprinkles. Look at this. In Pickering. That's why. Pickering's tea. $5 for a cone. Oh my gosh, look at the sunset. So nice. So cute. Anyways, yeah, $5 for a small vanilla cone with sprinkles. $5. I'm not coming back to Pickering. I'm not doing it. Anyways, barbecue's done now, guys. I'm going home.
4 to 6 days later.
Hey vlog, it's your girl, it's me. I'm back here. I picked up the vlog again. Wasn't going to, but you know, festivities, Caribana long weekend. What's the date?
27, 29.
Today is Friday, July 29th. Let me tell you guys something right now. Chris Brown's in our country. Chris Brown's in our city. And Lil Baby. They're downtown performing. Did we get tickets? No, we didn't. So we're here. I'm with Shioma, of course. I'm not gonna put on the camera right now because, yeah.
Okay.
But you know, obviously we're waiting in the car. You guys want to know who we're waiting for? None other than Latasia herself. We're always waiting for her.
I think.
Guys, I don't want no one telling me about my wig because let me tell you something. I took my wig off, it got washed and reinstalled. So nobody can tell me, oh my gosh, she's been wearing the same wig for the whole month. What are you talking about?
You never know.
Like this wasn't a reinstall. Hello? Unique beauties all the time.
Period.
Get with it or get lost. But yeah, guys, so this weekend, we're gonna go stretch our feet. We're going to, well, we're supposed to go get something to eat. I don't know how that's gonna work anymore.
I'm gonna fill my belly because I didn't eat today and I like wings.
We're gonna get something to eat because today's National Wings Day. And then we're gonna go to EST 2020.
Okay.
We're going to EST. They're having an event, and you know, we're gonna go ring in the Caribana long weekend. I mean, have to guys, I don't really want to go, but you know, you have to go and enjoy the vibes because summer's done. Like, the leaves are changing colors. Outside is fall. Oh my gosh, guys, I look like a naked mole rat. No lashes, eyebrows weren't threaded. But don't worry, next week I'm gonna look more presentable. Like, I look okay right now, but next week I'm just gonna look even better when I have lashes on. Tried to put on the strips. Goody don't have time for that.
I think
it is 10:10 right now. Tasia said she'd be here in 5 minutes. My girl just get in the parking garage.
Like, we heard the horn.
My girl just got in underground parking to go get the car and pull out.
5 minutes away. All you hear is beep beep.
Tasia, we know you better than that by now. Come on. Like, Little Miss I'm always late. That's her. That's the one she needs to be.
That part. Oh my god, what am I? Little Miss
blocks everybody.
Period.
Because one thing about it, she's gonna block any and everybody.
I'm gonna be my mother.
It's like she's gonna block you. Doesn't matter. I'm just Little Miss Miserable. I'm like bad.
But
miserable. I'm miserable and dramatic.
I'm dramatic?
I'm dramatic.
I don't think so.
Maybe the smallest issue. Here I am. Mad. Anyways, guys, I've been rambling for like almost 4 minutes now. Yeah, guys. So with now 10:11, I'm gonna pick this back up when Latasia gets here. Let's estimate. When did I
call her? Wait. Because she said she was 5 minutes away,
from the time
right?
she calls her, which was.
Hold on, let me see because I'm.
Time
10:03. It is not 10:12.
5 minutes, babe.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, she's right there. She's right there.
Okay. We're talking about you.
Saying what?
You're not punctual. She's always late. She's 5 minutes away.
This time wasn't my fault. This time was not my fault. Look beside you.
Oh my god.
Going over and over again.
and get right into it. No, I gotta kiss it, baby, give it to me, get it inside now. You know that I'm just trying to get love. Want you to scream and shout, and baby, when I'm leaving.
Okay, guys, it's like mad loud in here, but we are seated. We ordered. Did you see how long it's gonna take?
No.
Right. Right? Oh, you're bad. You guys hear the TV? Like, this is like when never mind. I'm not gonna finish my sentence. Anyways.
I'ma slow it down, 'cause ain't no speed limit. When we're moving in this town, we're gonna turn all the way up when the lights down. Why your pussy so damn good, Miss Heyy? Put that booty up, baby, when I'm on. You know I'ma go crazy when your legs in the air. You know you're pretty.
You have to take some fries.
I was saying grace. I don't want it to run my
Why
belly.
did you
You know I kinda like it. When you make me work, hold it. You got me, got it, get that ass in the bed, I'ma lock the door. Shake that ass like boom, takalaka, boom, takalaka. You don't need nobody else to us. Nobody but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. Licking your private parts, and I know you love your privacy.
Guys,
So the week you
update.
sent me a wig.
It's 11:54.
Yeah, she go put her on the floor.
We're here now. But we're in the car waiting. Yeah. We're here. I'm about to go inside just now. There's a light though now. I'm kind of chilly. But yeah, guys, that's the update.
Over and over again. Girl, I just wanna take you home and get right into it.
The next morning.
Hey vlog, it's the next day. It's not morning time. It's literally, it's after 12. It's almost 1 o'clock. No, it is 1 something. And I just started the vlog. Yeah? No. Actually, wait. Guys, hold on. Okay, that's what I was saying. I look crazy, but that's just how you look when you're getting ready and trying to leave at the same time. Guys, tell me why. We got home almost 5 o'clock yesterday, right this morning. Okay? I'm not even gonna go in the rundown. You guys know I'm not home. You can tell. But it's okay. Right now, we're going to brunch. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. But I'm changing because we're going to battle. And yeah, let me show you guys. This is my outfit of the day, guys. My top's from Shein, my skirt's Levi's, my sides are from Ardeen. Don't really care. Yeah, this is going on. I'll show you everybody else, but they're not ready yet. Well, they're ready, but not ready to be on the camera. Anyways, guys, see you on the road. We're going to the morning after.
Cool traffic. Traffic this up. Traffic this up. Traffic this up. I want you. Traffic. More traffic. Traffic every blood.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.
Like I smell the Caribana air.
Guys, this is our bridge. Yes. Soon ready for the road. Soon ready for the road. We're gonna fill our belly and then come back. Hey.
No, I have to white flag. I have to put flag.
Yeah.
Falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like it.
So guys, on top of everything else going on, there's a Blue Jays game happening. Yay, more people downtown. Hi vlog. Where can I set you? Right here for the time being. Right now it's me, my guys. Why does this always happen to me? Oh, perfect. Okay, right now it's me, myself, and I in the car. They're paying for parking, and then we're going to the morning after. It's a spot we saw on TikTok, so that's where we're gonna go to eat something real quick, and then we're gonna change and go to Bana and go check on the road. We're gonna check on the road. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I showed you guys my outfit. Oh, because I was like, what is he waiting for? But he wants to park. I showed you guys my outfit already before, but I'm gonna show you guys again because I have my purse on and my sunglasses. I took the curls, the rods out my hair, so you know I'm gonna show you again. And then yeah, and you're gonna see my band outfit after. And yeah, guys, that's all. We're downtown, of course. DT living. Why are they dressed like that? You know what? Let me stop. Everyone has their own sense of fashion. Sir! Oh, man, look like he wants to back into the car. I don't drive. What am I talking about? But still, I know a little bit, you know? Oh, they're waiting for their Uber to go to Caribana. Guys, traffic dip on the road. Drive safe, stay safe. Oh, I should get out the car. They got the ticket. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Why would I hit?
This one. In the middle.
Trust from the distance.
2 hours later.
So I want to give you a rundown really quick. We left the morning after. 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'll go into details after, but right now we're trying to go and be on the road for a little bit. I don't really want to hold you guys, to be honest. My tripod's inside. But yeah. Let me show you guys my outfit. Hold on. Let me see if I can show you guys my outfit. Can I catch you here like this? Because, like, honestly, we can't bother. Oh my god, I don't want to hold them. Oh, wait. You got thing. Okay, guys. I have a crochet top. I have on shorts. And I have on these bands. And my flag because durr. Right. And my glasses.
Can I ask you a favor?
Yeah.
I have a heli ride within 10 minutes. I can pay for you if you can find another parking.
No, we just got this one. We just got here.
I can pay for you.
No, that's okay.
I have more than that.
No,
because
it's okay.
I have already paid $500. They will be.
Yeah, we just got this. We just got here. Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah. Fine, let's parking. Was I supposed to say yes? Because you said you're gonna pay? And telling me your sad story that you paid $500 like I asked? Like, one thing about it, no one's gonna get me talking about I'll pay. Okay. Well, find the next spot and I'll pay for you. What are you talking about? Hi. Guys, let me tell you something. Right now, we're lost. I'm not gonna get to you. We're lost. Are we lost? Right now, we're following the music at this point. We found parking and we're following the music, and that's just about it. But let me tell you guys something though. I didn't give you the rundown about the morning after. So basically, flies for days like it was a hog pen. I don't get it. No, we're swatting flies for what? Your food establishment. That's a health code violation. What are you talking about? So red flag number 1. Number 2, drinks were nasty. I don't care. Well, my drink was nasty at least.
My drink was okay.
They didn't mind their drinks.
Yeah, my drink was okay.
As for the food, you guys saw the food. Chicken and waffles. Okay, cool. I was just unaware that there was gonna be like a red sauce. I don't too tough deal with sauce, okay? So the fact that they put some red sauce on there, I thought it was just maple syrup, chicken and waffles. I was bamboozled. But anyways, guys, overall 6 out of 10. If you want to try it out, go ahead. The food wasn't bad. I was just bamboozled.
And the wait time.
And the wait time. Judge. Listen. Anyways, that's my rundown of the morning after. TikTok, I don't know why we keep listening to TikTok and going to try all these places. Like, we haven't learned from last year. But anyways, guys, right now we're making our way over to the carnival, the parade, whatever. Guys, what time is it?
5:45.
5:45. We're just now reaching parade. I don't remember the last time I came to the parade at this time. But anyways, we're gonna go try and make the best of it for however long. And yeah, I'll update you when we're there. Okay. That's my outfit.
So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the bill? One time, sit down in a class and we board that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the iron ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw ya, saw you post the spectacular photo.
Hi guys, so it's not over, but we're over it. So, what do you rate Bana 2022?
Compared to 2019, a solid 5.
Oh damn.
That's kind of high, but only because it's the Caribbean thing, I'll give it a 5.
Okay. What do you rate Bana 2022?
We came late, so we missed half the, good
True.
stuff. I would rate it like, on our experience, a 6.5. Like, we didn't experience shit. Like, we didn't hear no good songs really. So, yeah. We came too late.
Yeah. We did come too late, but at the same time, I should not be having to run like I'm Shelly Ann Fraser. So for that reason, I'm giving it a 4.5 because of that one reason. Sorry about it. Like 2019, I wasn't doing that. 2019, I was living my best life. I was walking up the road, going across the stage.
But you know what?
No stuff.
I think we have to be over there, guys. Oh, shit, yeah. 2019, we were out of here by 4 o'clock. Yeah, we were.
We actually left mad early.
Yeah.
But guys, with that being said, there's no continuation. Actually, maybe there is. I forgot I'm going out Sunday, so we'll see about that. But anyways, but this Bana clip is done, guys. I don't know. You play Mass 2023 if we live to see, and tell me how it is. Alright, let me know how your experience is. And if you did go to Bana 2022, let me know in the comments down below how your experience was. Anyways, guys, see you in the next clip. Later.
I think we should rule out the limit for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
1 week later.
Toronto, get ready for the Kingston Music Festival. One night only, Sunday, August 7th at Downsview Park. Tickets now at ticketgateway.com in the usual outlets. Popcorn, Shensia, Chronic Law, and Skillabang.
This is what happened at Kingston Fest in Toronto.
Friend I move like viper. Start walk side way from never move no wider. Lion night jungle with some play tiger. Hey, brother they on a hillside. When nobody know the foot
ready. Oh, see everybody on the road. Hey, what have you said? What have you said? One drop. The party no turn up, it turn up. Y'all are prone for the balcony. So we party from everybody jump, 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 jump. That party up. When the king said stop, y'all want to bring the fire. That's all boy, don't try fire. Hey, hey, hey. Sonny are ready. Boy, you give me a day. Nah, for the bloody night in the area. This bad man, they are scary. So, I am well. Frana, pretty girl. Everybody go so, go so. Boy, one more time, y'all. Number one. Boy, one more time, back in the yard. Everybody put them on the top. Jump, 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 jump. This Toronto, our man says she very special. That girl a dry eye. You want me for the front line. Beauty boy, are you ready to start, jump? Jump. I want it to wind up on me, so yeah. Baby boy, you are thinking about me, yeah. Hello, pretty little body, I'm not calling. The way you are fine, girl. Baby, I feel stop baby. Me want to know you are whitey. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty, Caribbean beauty. Sure, me want lock you in my house and put you on duty. Boy, can't call you scared, tell him not to die. Number one property. Baby, you're some of them like Iraq.